Thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Asset Management Report. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, 2008. U.S.-based pension schemes have agreed to join a class action against State Street Global Advisors relating to performance of its low-risk bond funds last year, Financial News reports, according to Money Management Letter. The class action is seeking compensation and is allegedly a breach of fiduciary duties under the Employee Retirement Income and Security Act. Schemes sponsored by publisher Unisystems initiated this suit, which were followed by motor part supplier Andover Companies and imaging specialist Nashua Corporation. The plaintiffs allege that the bond funds lagged by their benchmark by as much as 30% in 2007. Staying with asset management news, Lazard Asset Management has launched 3 new mutual funds in the U.S. The funds are expected to appeal to both institutional and individual investors and defined contribution plans seeking globally diversified solutions and a variety of investment strategies. The 3 funds to be managed by portfolio teams at Lazard Asset Management are Lazard Global Equity Income Portfolio, Lazard Capital Allocator Opportunistic Strategies Portfolio, and Lazard U.S. Small Cap Equity Value Portfolio. These portfolios are products of the ongoing collaboration between LAM's portfolio managers and research analysts in markets around the world. And in other asset management news, DLJ South American Partners has started allocating from a new $300 million private equity fund, reports Latin Finance. The firm's main principals, Buenos Aires-based Carlos Garcia and Marcelo Medeiros in Sao Paulo, are heading the effort and have already spent $82 million across 3 deals. Garcia tells Latin Finance capital markets liquidity has dried up recently in Latin America, and we believe that enhances our opportunities to identify investments going forward. The firm will employ various strategies, including buyout and growth capital across all sectors. It will look to take controlling stakes in companies in order to gain greater influence over management and the exit strategy, says Garcia. And in more asset management news, Merk Investments has added a new fund that will zero in on Asian currencies. The Merk Asian Currency Fund will include the currencies of China, Hong Kong, and India, among others. The fund, a pure play on Asian currencies, provides retail investors with a new fundamental investment option to gain exposure to Asian currencies without the risk of Asian stock markets. It gains exposure to these currencies by investing in high-quality short-term money market instruments of Asian countries or a combination of U.S. dollar-dominated securities and forward currency contracts. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Asset Management channel online and read the latest developments.